Hello and namaste everyone. Today we'll be looking at how to work in Excel, some little work that we need in day-to-day life when working in geospatial field. So I just want to show you. I just click Control Shift left and then Control Shift bottom. But sorry, at first I just select all and then try to see the summary of all those work. So I just type Control Shift left and then bottom so that everything is selected. You can see on insert there is a pivot table, so we need to make sometimes summary of our work. So in that case we can click here and then in a new working sheet you can get the pivot table. So this is a glove database that I have downloaded. It's freely available. So now I want to make a pivot table based on the country wise impact. You can see in this table there is a name of a country. Here in a country you can see there is a name of a country, and but we cannot see the number of glacial lake event that occur in the particular country, and as well as impact. So we can just do it like this. We just need to click create a pivot table. After that I need to select a country to be the row. So here is a country, so I just click on a country to the row. So you can see now there is a country, and if I put value to be count is a value to be let me sum of the impact over here. There must be impact. Okay, the livestock is the livestock impact, and I just put it over the values, and then instead of count I told it to do it in a sum. So if I do it as a sum, then it will give us the sum of the impact on it. So again we will do the same thing for residential. So then you can see where the residential houses are being impacted, then we can sum of it, and we can also do something on economical damage. So we try to see how much economical damage it has. Then okay, there is, it goes down and its values should be some. Okay, this is the economical damage. Now you can see I have a glacier ID. If I do take it as a in a values and then leave it as it is, then this give me the glacier count, because glacier ID it's a count. Okay, it is again some, so I need to make it a count. Okay, so we have a total 180 event. In Afghanistan there is a 4 event. Okay, I think it's a double, so I think it should be deleted, I believe so, but you cannot delete from here, so you need to go and sum of GFLD. You need to remove this field. Okay, so now in Afghanistan there are 4, but there is no impact on residential, no economic damage has been reported. So we can make a summary of this table. So you can see this is a long table, but within a second we have done it. So there were 566 data set, and within a second we have done it. I think it's on just 108 data set, but it is showing 506 because of its ID. Yeah, it's just 108 data set, but within a second we summarize it. This is the power of pivot table. See you again. Thank you.